Hello, welcome to Krishna Enterprises YouTube channel. Today we will visit the modular kitchen. Recently we completed the modular kitchen work. Now this is tower. This is PVC tower, PVC sliding tower. Here we can put the micro oven, and under the shelf we can put the juicer. This is the electric provisions. Is the electric provisions, and also you can pull the shutter, PVC shutter. You can save the microwave and juicer. And here is the storage. Under the storage and two doors will be under the shelf. And this is the blank area we will use shelves, 4 shelves there. You can put any items. There is the hydraulic door. Into hydraulic door you can put the large things, and this is the chimney areas. This is the chimney areas. We can give the provision for the chimney pipes, the doors. Here is the you can we use storage, and also cover the pipelines. Here the wicker basket. Here the 3 wicker baskets. Wicker basket for garlic, and another one is onion, and last one is potato. So wicker basket is the storage. With the trolley, spoons, and here is the bowls and large utensils. Also pull out, and the corner storage. And also storage. And this is the sink platform. Under the storage. 4 doors are here. Here is the upper cabinet, and one part is water purifier will be installed, and another part is used for dryers.